Joy. Si Church. Sarah.
Yes, okay na po lahat. Hi! Hello! Good morning! Ayan, nag-breakfast na po ba kayo? Ay, hindi pa.
My name is Lucky M, and I will be your special friend today for this tour. First, let me tell you about myself. I like to sing, dance, and play. So I can always be in tip-top shape. Do you know what my favorite colors are? Can you guess my favorite food? Always love everything. See this? Love comes over my favorite noodles. See a lunch. Don't worry.
Yeah.
We give you the nuts and the casara. Now, for those who enjoy their noodles with a twist, no preservatives added. A fun fact you can find in our packs. We also added vitamins to Lucky Beans to help you stay healthy. Did you know that the wheat in Lucky Beans is a good source of carbohydrates? They are our body's source of energy. We should use this energy and engage in active play so we can be stronger and healthier. You know what I love the most besides eating with my family. I love my family. Did you know that kids regularly eat dinner with their family like they do while in school? Isn't that cool? They also grow happier and happier, just like me. This is mine. KTM. Kami ng pamilya mahalaga at see what's more. KTM encourages parents and kids to regularly eat dinner together to stay happy together. So kids, when you go home later, start this family eating habit, okay? Mommy and daddy, kahit yo-yo. 'Cause kahit ang pamilya natin mahalaga. I am Lucky M, wishing you all a happy Mayday. That's it. Enjoy the Noodle Factory tour, and hope to see you again.
sama ka sa alas, Sana. Dito, Sana. Sana. Tama. Ay, okay.
Ang ganda.
Sa May 1st. Hello! Hi! Tingin mo na tayo kay Sir Dixie.
Kaitot ka kanina. Kanina nung nasa tan. Bakit galit si May? Oo nga. Kami, maliit daw yung paa niya. Saan tayo?
First of all, thank you so much for coming here in the Philippine Science and Center. Students, teachers, parents from Maranatha Division Academy, all the way from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Thank you also for coming here despite the recognition up there from this now. And I'm just gonna give you a brief background that. So the PSHD or the Philippine Science and Technology responsible for displaying the words, ideas, inventions, and other scientific achievements of our very own Filipino scientists. So yung PSHD under ng management ng NAS or yung National Academy of Science and Technology has four functions. The advisory function, the completion, the scientific materials, and the corporate management of the Philippine Science and Technology Center. So yung third part was in this book, where we are right now, just the phase 1 of the Philippine Science and Technology. So we're still under innovation, so there will be more phases in the future. So this phase 1 part is called Hologram of the Living National Scientist, in which the phrase entails we